is Luhan. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple weather instrument. I'm going to make a wind vane. Let's start! First, we will need a paper, a straw, some scissors, a spin, a pencil, a paper plate, a can, and some kinetic sand. Ooh. Angle onto the paper. Use a ruler to draw the line so you will have a perfect square and triangle. The triangle, you will use it as an arrow point while the square is used as the other end of the arrow. It is best to draw your square larger than the triangle. Now use a pair of scissors to cut them. Be careful! Now we're going to cut the straw. Hold the scissors parallel to the straw. Then cut an even slit through each side so your arrow pieces will slide on to the ends of the straw. Then stick the triangle and square into the slots on the straw. Get your pencil and the pin. Put the pin in the center of the straw and through the pencil eraser. Now we're going to write the 4 directions on the paper plate: north, south, east, and west. We will only use abbreviations. After making the directions, we will now insert a pencil in the middle of the paper plate. And it's done! Let's try if it works. You can use a can, add sand to make the pencil stand. Let's watch the wind vane to see which direction the wind is blowing. Hope you liked my video. Bye-bye.